This is Kane. I have no idea what this game is about. Could be about having breakfast, for all I know. Oh, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. You can shoot his birds, but you can't see him. Because the colour clash. That's quite nifty, isn't it? Oh, he's missed. If ever you wanted to shoot down a bird with a bow and arrow, you found your game. Die also. We're getting a bit fast now. Missed. God, the colour clash is awful, isn't it? Choo. Get a bit tricky now, can't hit him. Die. Birds are going home. Why am I got to stop the birds getting home? What have they done to me? What have the birds ever done to me, eh? Alright, what's this? We're off! Oh. Oh, I'm off literally. Well, that was fun. See, man in black. All the best guys wear black, don't they? In the cowboy films and whatnot. They'd be like the Zorro character. Such as all that, without that prancing around what he does. I'm not really enjoying this now. I can't hit the fuckers. Birds, keep still, you bastards. Stop escaping from me. It's like the birds down the pub. There's escape from me as well. I'm getting him. Ah, you shit. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Let's practice level 3. Right to Kane. Oh, didn't last long, did I? Shootout. Wow, 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 wow. Take that, you varmint. Like a poor man's this guy there. Poor man's untouchables. There he is. You can't see him, they're a bit tiny, aren't they? It's like the land of the dwarves here. This is like a Wild West for dwarfs or midgets, hobbits. I can't shoot. I ran out of bullets. I can't shoot. It's a conspiracy, they won't let me shoot. He's gonna run that back and forward. Oh, I've got some ammo now. I get 6 shots. Oh, they shot me right in the bollocks. That's gotta hurt. Train ride, this looks exciting. Let's go, let's go! Hiya, old Silver. This is quite tricky, this game. Fucking horse keeps throwing me off. You bastard. To the glue factory with you. You kick me off one more time. You're straight to the glue factory. This is a tricky game, isn't it? It's gonna get like this. It looks good though. I thought the banyan tree in Jet Set Willy was hard. After I saw this. I'm loving it. There's 4 activities. Oh, we're off now. Did I jump there or not? Surely not. We're off now. Ah, you bastard. Well, Kane, it's a bit of a... It's got 4 activities. None of them particularly great fun, but the animation's alright. The graphics are a bit shit, aren't they? Let's be fair. So, I get 5 out of 10. If you always want to shoot down birds, I mean, this is it. You've done it. If you want to be thrown off a horse, this is the game for you. If you want to have a shootout with midgets, this is also the game for you. But overall, it's only a 5 out of 10 game because most people can't be. Don't want to do that. Die, die! I shall have you for breakfast.